Acid rain is rain that has been made acidic by air pollution. Wet deposition is rain, sleet, snow, or fog that has become more acidic than usual. Dry deposition is another form of acid deposition, and this is when gases and other dust particles become acidic. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acid rain. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides dissolve very easily into the water and could be carried very far by the wind. As a result, the two compounds can travel long distances, where they become part of the rain, sleet, snow, and fog that we experience on certain days. Human activities are the main cause of acid rain. Over the past few decades, humans have released so many different chemicals into the air that they have changed the mix of gases in the atmosphere. Power plants release the majority of sulfur dioxide and much of the nitrogen oxides when they burn fossil fuels, such as coal, to produce electricity. In addition, the exhaust from cars, trucks, and buses release nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the air. These pollutants can cause acid rain. Nature depends on balance, and although some rain is naturally acidic, with a pH level around 5.0, human activities have made it worse. Air pollution like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can cause respiratory diseases or can make these diseases worse. Respiratory diseases like asthma or chronic bronchitis make it hard for people to breathe. The pollution that causes acid rain can also create tiny particles. When these particles get into people's lungs, they can cause health problems or can make existing health problems worse. Also, nitrogen oxides can cause ground-level ozone. This ground-level ozone causes respiratory problems like pneumonia and bronchitis, and can even cause permanent lung damage. The health effects that people have to worry about are not caused by the acid rain, but are caused when people breathe in these tiny particles or ozone. Swimming in an acidic lake or walking in an acidic puddle is no more harmful than people swimming or walking in clean water. Acid rain can be extremely harmful to forests. Acid rain that seeps into the ground can dissolve nutrients such as magnesium and calcium that trees need to be healthy. Acid rain also causes aluminum to be released into the soil, which makes it difficult for trees to take up water. Trees that are located in mountainous regions at higher elevations, such as spruce or fir trees, are at greater risk because they are exposed to acidic clouds and fog, which contain greater amounts of acid than rain or snow. The acidic clouds and fog strip important nutrients from their leaves and needles. This loss of nutrients makes it easier for infections, insects, and cold weather to damage trees and forests. Without pollution or acid rain, most lakes and streams would have a pH level near 6.5. Acid rain, however, has caused many lakes and streams in the northeast United States and certain other places to have much lower pH levels. In addition, aluminum that is released into the soil eventually ends up in streams and lakes. Unfortunately, this increase in acidity and aluminum levels can be deadly to aquatic wildlife, including phytoplankton, mayflies, rainbow trout, smallmouth bass, frogs, spotted salamanders, crayfish, and other creatures that are part of the food web. Acid rain can also have a damaging effect on many objects, including buildings, statues, monuments, and cars. The chemicals found in acid rain can cause paint to peel and stone statues begin to appear old and worn down, which reduces their value and beauty.